Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shat Sukman Seem, a dance to pay obeisance to God, concluded in a grand manner. Shillong plastic bottles find their way to mini domestic industry at Meghalaya Putmauri locality before recycling at Birnihat Industrial Estate in Reboy district, and nomophobia, fear of being out of mobile phone contact. And now the news in detail. Plastic bottles are making life much easier because they are lightweight, durable and hard to break. A plastic bottle is the best way to contain and carry all kinds of liquid ranging from water and soft drink to oil for cooking. The plastic bottles are of great invention, but they also have their own issues, especially in cleaning the environment. In recent years, all the plastic bottles and other plastic waste find their way into Umyam Reservoir. Some people residing at Maumi area at the edge of Umyam Reservoir have made a profitable business in the recent past by using boats to collect all the plastic waste before selling them to Birnihat Industrial Estate for recycling. This trend is now being reversed as rag pickers collect them in sacks and sell them to the mini domestic industry in the city. It is of utter surprise to find the operation of a hydraulic plastic bottle machine at Meghalaya Putmauri locality in Shillong. Thousands of used plastic bottles collected from the city of Shillong find their way in the mini cottage industry. These plastic bottles are crushed by a heavy metal compressor and in few minutes are flattened like plastic bags and mechanically bound by aluminum wires into bundles of crushed plastic bottles. When the stock is sufficient, they are loaded into the trucks for recycling in the Birnihat Industrial Estate in Reboy district of Meghalaya. People who see this say that this is the most creative way to protect the environment. The fear of being without a mobile phone or devices, nomophobia, sadly on the increase today. Smartphone addiction is already affecting thousands of people around the world today, and the problem is getting worse. Just like all forms of addiction, smartphone addicts will deny that they have a problem. This is also true even in rural and remote areas. With this concern for the youth in the locality, the Salesian Youth Movement Northern Region conducted a seminar cum awareness program on the harmful effects of smartphone addiction at Sidle village on Sunday, the 11th April 2021. The resource persons on this day were Brother Pirinus Warkallau SDB and Sri Janis Thurnya. Both the resources persons spoke and stressed on how an addiction to smartphone can have an adverse effect on the human being through innovative methods of delivery such as storytelling and factual data. And enthusiastic and positive feedback was received from the youth and parents taking part in the program. The seminar concluded with the Holy Mass by Father Richard Rapthap SDB. The Shat Sukman Seem Dance of the Happy Hearts was conducted in various parts of Meghalaya annually to mark the harvest season and to pay obeisance to God for the many blessings in the last year and to ask for blessings for the coming year. The Shat Sukman Seem is celebrated in the month of April. This dance is celebrated as a mark of thanksgiving to Mother Nature for good harvest and for fresh sowing of seeds. During the celebration, both men and women participate in the dance, where steps of women are subtle and slow, whereas those of men are more energetic. Speaking to one of the elders, Sri Suyamp expressed joy that they were able to conduct the annual dance festival Kashat Sukman Seem this year, which was not allowed last year due to COVID-19. This year, they were able to conduct again with strict adherence to COVID-19 protocols.
Kumakalong mentasi dengan empat tiap kanung kibanuan, dari ya kai kepala ada menin te kapoy hadu aspa andre pun rengut ki nong syat kan thai bat sendang te ngi kermen ba mentasna mentasi wakati jam kare kesi khaddo kermen hi ba kan kham bon ka khlam kani ka khlam ka ngo kamri tang hang ni hari kasi ndai baro satla ka perthai te nakaliang jong seng ngile hi ke ba ka sarkar ka pha mo ki protocols ki ba ka ki adong gimana ki ba ka sarkar ka bu tingile ban follow ban sim ban pria renti gitu takadau ban pipai yegi nong pekar ngimsa pakinwan yegi nong pekar ngimsa invite sung ngimdon mentau snem ndai ki bawan ki debit tik tang kinong shat bat kinong sendan ni kinong shat te ka Shillong no ngi kemen bade wat hapring kani ka khlam mo ka khlam ka ngo kawan menta ndai ngi sutanat bade ngi su hun men sem bade ba ngi yo bade ban sim menta ban pelong ngi kani shat mentau snem 796 to try kembali ke kali semua ba percaya lagi kani ke kali.
The election to the GHADC this year was conducted in a peaceful manner with no untoward incident. The Chief Minister is hopeful that this time too the NPP will get into power.
Just completed our voting and the turnout is good in all the crops, Garo Hills. Tura also seeing much better response compared to what it was last time. Last time there was only a turnout of about 25%. But this time we are seeing that already we are at about 13-14% even in this polling station. So therefore the response has been good. Even during the campaign we got a very positive response from the people, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to get full majority in this coming elections.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.